So this is day number 4 of restoring the Mercedes-Benz Powerliner 2635. Now my guys are putting the first coat of white on the cab. As soon as they are done here, then they can start sandblasting the chassis. We are running against time. There's already a client that is taking this truck. We have to put some overtime, but we're coming around. As soon as they are done painting, then we put brand new tires, do a service, we check our air, check the brakes, check the cooling system, then it will be ready for the road. I can't wait until I finish this project because it's coming out perfect.